Welcome friends. In this video we will learn what is current. Movement of charged particle is called as current. Movement of charged particle is called as current. And next, current will always flow in a closed path. Current will always flow in a closed path. We will know about it through a simple simulation. Okay, first I am taking a battery. This is our battery. The source of current is battery. Who is delivering the current? Battery is delivering the current, and then I am having a light bulb. Now I am connecting the battery to this light bulb. Then I am taking another wire. Then I am having a switch. Now you can see that a battery is connected to a light bulb with a switch. Like I said, movement of charged particle is called as current, right? If you close the switch, you can see that when I close the switch, the current is flowing. Here the balls are indicating the movement of charged particle. You can see that when I open the switch, the current does not flow. When I open the switch, the current does not flow because current will not flow in a open circuit. Current will always flow in a closed circuit. The instant when I close the switch, the current starts to flow. So the rate of movement of charges. Definition of current is rate of movement of charges is called as what? Current. Again, who is the source of this current? Your battery is the source of this current. Similarly, if I remove this battery, what will happen? You will not have current flow. You can see that when I remove this battery, you can see that there is no current flow. The instant when I add the battery to the circuit, what you are having? You are having current flow. Now, what is the current flow? The rate of movement of charged particle is defined as current flow, and current will always flows through a closed path. Now this is called as closed path, or this is called as open path. Because the switch is open, current will not flow in a open circuit. Current will always flow through a closed circuit. Thank you.